Hi guys, this is a video after the facts. That means that we are on Wayfire. I wanted to be creative. Super Shift X is this coloring scheme. So something different, something new. And all I did was look at default Razi, changed it a little bit. So 16 million colors to choose from. And I wanted to have less color. There's already so much color. So a more dark-ish theme, and that's the fun, right? Out of 16 million colors, you choose a few colors, and if you think what is what, simple, use white or red. So FF 0000 FF, which is transparency. Then you know exactly what is what, right? That's the background. So by changing this, and in this case there are videos out there where I have already shown you to install packages, and then in the end I've installed colorhints. So you can install packages, and I have installed colorhints, which helps me if I go over, come on, hints, right? That one. If you go over it, so just click it, you see the coloring. And I started with the defaults, which is green, blue, and pink. And then I said, okay, let's now change it. And we have a new theme, right? Because, you know, if you have this, we have this tool, Powermenu, there are two of them, the style and the colors. So I'm going to add a color because we had a few that are empty. So empty slots, it's all the same, it's all one dark. But we'll give it another name, this color scheme, and it will become number 17. So that's the fun. Added one of those colors, 18 there, 19 and 20. So, and yeah, make it active. And that's what I'll do. I'll pop in this particular color code, which I've renamed actually already to save as. Purplenavy was the name. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it because the purple is gone in the meantime. It's I don't know what I should call it, but it's a different color scheme, and it's so simple. Start with what you have, change a few things, and of course if the style changes, well, no problem. The style and the color are separate from each other, so that will look great as well. We could have an experiment, right? Don't take my word for anything. Just test it out. Voila. Alright, I'm gonna put this particular file inside the package, and you'll get the update in a few minutes. Cheers.